Elaboru, elaboye, elaboshishe. Mm, I don't know why I get this question so much. Um, I need to start asking the people why they ask me this question. I will try to remember to do that. It's about being a woman in this tradition. And though I love to talk about this topic, I think for each woman it's going to be uniquely different. But what I will say is there's absolutely, for me, nothing like it. Nothing like it. I've got a really, really, really wonderful Ori. I'm so grateful and thankful to my Ori. So happy, love my Ori so much. And I'm very grateful for the discernment that I've been able to develop. It's, I've been through a lot in my life, and I'm very grateful for the discernment that I've developed. Being a woman in this tradition is absolutely being a woman in this tradition in my position, okay? Because I don't know being a woman without being in a position of matriarchy. I am very well respected, not just in my spiritual family, but in my entire spiritual community in Nigeria, in the United States of America, in various places that I travel, where I meet us, including but not limited to the Caribbean islands. I'm a respected person. I love deeply. I respect others deeply. I am very invested in the spiritual edification of my Creator's children. And that includes so many areas because it's beyond it's beyond teaching rituals. It's including teaching rituals. It's beyond ceremony. It includes ceremony. It's beyond nurturing. It includes nurturing. For me, being a woman in this tradition, I am one with Mother Earth. I am one with Mother Alkebulan. I am one with her. I am one with her. I am one mind with this planet. I see things related to Earth, her history, her herstory, her future, her now. I hear things that she tells me and imparts to me, I believe, because I share her feminine essence. I love being Obirin Dudu, a Black woman, Nisheshe, in this tradition. I know how my mother likes to be represented, and I'm talking about Mama Africa. I know how my mother likes to be represented. I know the truths about my mother, many truths, I should say, about my mother that she wants me to articulate to the world on her behalf. Her children, truths of her children, the cultural diversity and essences of her children, the spiritual uniqueness and power and beauty of her children. Her children, the indigenes of this place, Africa as a whole, as well as her children throughout the diaspora. I know how my mama want things done. I know how she want her children to feel. every time I am distinguished with the honor and trusted with the privilege of being able to bring her children back home. I know how she wants them to feel. I know how sometimes we feel coming because I do very thorough consultations with my people prior to coming here. But I know how my mother wants her children to feel while they are here. And I know how she wants us to feel when we leave. I know how my mother loves and cares for and wants to bring remembrance back to her children of her richness, of her grace, of her graciousness, of her abundance, of her protection, of her power, of her beauty, of her diversity, of her intelligence, of her genius, of her possibilities, of her love. To be a woman in this sacred tradition is fulfilling for me. To be a spiritual mother in this sacred tradition is everything. Is everything. I often speak about my childhood and growing up, the hardships that I experienced, the multitude of seas of injustices, traumas, abuses, exploitations, and ills that were imposed upon me as a child in this world. I would have never imagined that someone who experienced such hatred, such ugliness from fellow human beings would grow up to be so beloved as a woman. I am beloved. I am gifted. I am cherished. I am adored. I am protected. I am sought out. I am so blessed. And I know it. I know it. So grateful. So grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful to you, God. I'm grateful to you, my ancestors. I'm so grateful. I'm grateful to you, my Egbe. You hear me? I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to my parents for giving birth to me. I'm so grateful for my communities. I'm so grateful for those hardships, for all the individuals who were not well educated about how to love and how to treat other people who were different. I'm grateful for you too. I'm grateful for you too. I'm grateful for the strength and the power. The strength and the power and the creativity that has come along with this melanin. I'm so grateful for it. I am so grateful. I am living as a very complete, full, self-actualized woman in this tradition. I know who I am. I know who I am. I know what I came here for. I know why I came here. I know why I came here. I know why I experienced the things I experienced. And it just tenders my heart and it touches my soul that I can sit here in front of you today and openly share not only the surface of what I have been through in the way of hardships, because there are so many beautiful things too, but also that I can sit here and tell you that today, as a woman in this tradition of Ifá-Ìṣẹ̀ṣe spirituality, I am respected. I am sought out for my knowledge, wisdom, expertise, nurturing, care, and love. That I am cherished, that I am adored, that I am protected, and I am fulfilled. I am living a life of deep, rich, 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 invaluable meaning. I live a meaningful life. I live a meaningful life. You people who automatically by default labeled me Africa, labeled me voodoo, labeled me hoodoo, labeled me a witch. Modupeo, I thank you. I thank you. I thank you for affirming my destiny. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you for your curses, because your curses by my Creator were converted into my blessings. Elaburu, Elaboye, Elaboshishe. All hail the Queen Mothers. All hail the Queen Mothers. All hail the Queen Mothers. Ibashe, to divine feminine essence and beauty. Ashe.